Hi, I'm Michelle from Michelle's Romantic Tangle, and I have been following Laundry Basket Quilts on Instagram ever since I discovered that Instagram was a thing. I love her blue and white quilts. They just make me swoon and make my heart go pitty-pat and all of the good things. So I knew I wanted her book, and I got lucky and found it in, of all places, the clearance shelf at Hobby Lobby. So it took me about 3 seconds to make up my mind. Yes, I needed this book, and that 3 seconds was just making sure it was what I thought it was. This one is from 2017 from Martingale, and it contains 17 quilt patterns and a gallery of inspiring antique quilts. So what you need to be careful of, or be aware of, is that the book pictures in the front are for inspiration and there are not patterns for these. But they are gorgeous eye candy and I love them. And I mean, since they are antique quilts, and they do, I mean, for Burgoyne's puzzle, you could tell that's Burgoyne surrounded, and I don't know what that is. Oh, that's Rosa Sharon. You could find patterns for these if you truly love one and need to have it in your life. I mean, when it comes to the Irish chain, you could make that from the picture. Just look at these. And I love, this is why I follow her on Instagram and Droll so much. I love the way she displays these. I love the blue and white quilts. I love the red and white quilts. Two color quilts are just beautiful. There is so much you can do. And because these quilts have a white background, your fabric goes a long way. I don't know what they're doing out there. Oh, look at the drunkard's path. I did not realize what that was. Look at the drunkard's path. And that might be what I saw in an antique shop a couple years ago that I couldn't figure out. Maybe. I don't know if I still have the pictures of the one that I saw. I could just take a big basket of blue scraps and some white muslin, and I could swear I could spend a year figuring out how to play with these. That is another drunkard's path variation. I've never seen that one. In case you can't tell, I really, really love this book and highly recommend it. So now we are to the patterns and the things that this book is going to help us make. This one is called First Flakes. They are feathered stars. I have never made a feathered star because they scare me. This book is full of things that scare me, by the way. This is Blue Barns. I made one schoolhouse block once, and I can't remember what I did wrong, but I did something. This one is called Thousand Oaks. This one is called Sugar Pine. And that is, I should know what block that is. I don't. That is Bluebells. And that's piece, is there any applique in there? What do we got? Well, the stems and a couple of the leaves are appliqued. I love the combination of applique and piecing. This one's called Journey. And that one actually would be very straightforward and easy. Shining Star. I love that, but it looks hard. And Frost. That's pretty. Did I mention that I love this book? And this is the one, when I make a quilt from this book, I need to go through my sewing room. I need to pull out all my blues. I need to figure out what white I'm going to use. Look at this one. Look at Shimmering Snow. And that is a straightforward block. I could do that. And then there's a Shining Star table topper. And Blue Spruce. I love these trees. And I love the way she added the applique boughs at the top and bottom that That is a traditional block, but she made it something wonderful and unique, and that is why I swoon every time I see her stuff on Instagram. Here's Gingerbread Man. And, ooh, I don't remember this one. This is Sleigh Trails. And I don't think my camera is picking it up, but it is the quilting that makes this one amazing. And gift baskets. There are only 17 patterns in here, but I think the fact that they are all wonderful and amazing makes it feel like there are a whole lot more. This is a make every project cover to cover book, or close to it. There are a couple I don't love, but very few, and that is Aurora. And if you had a mind to, or if you ran out of blue, you could do that in scrappy multiple colors, and it would still be gorgeous. The blue and white is what makes me love this book, but you could do these in other colors, or you could do these in a variety of colors. So this is Patches of Blue, 17 quilt patterns in a gallery of inspiring antique quilts by, I don't know how to pronounce her name, from Laundry Basket Quilts. I'm just smitten with this. I am sure it is still in print. I will look it up and put links in the description down below. Let me know, do you love blue and white quilts as much as I do, or what do you think? Anything in here that you can't live without making and spreading on your beds? Let me know. And thanks for watching. I am Michelle from Michelle's Romantic Tangle, and I'll see you again very soon with more videos.